Hi guys, welcome back to Ironmongery World. Today we've got our best seller, solid brass hinge latch lock. As we can see today, I'm going to demonstrate this for you now. There's a couple of really good kilos here in weight. This is a solid piece of kit. You won't be disappointed with this. Right guys, you can see I've pre-drilled these 5 points. The screws are already in place. All you've got to do is secure them home now. Really is as simple as that. And not to forget guys, when you do come to purchase this, you can get any knob of your choice. Brass, pewter, wood. Personally I like brass, it stays with it. Finished product. There we go.